Here comes your pre-market summary for Wednesday, September 28th. We are trying to get back to the upside here. Futures in negative territory, however, coming off a 6 straight, count them, negative days for the S&P 500. Again, back to the downside ever so slightly here in early trading this morning. Couple of things to note. Yeah, there's the futures down 0.44 right now for the S&P, but we're very, very close to where we ended the day yesterday again after we made a fresh 52-week low and closed at that 52-week low yesterday. Not a good look for the overall market. Bank of England coming out this morning saying they're going to step in to support the British pound. It's up about 1.5% in early trading and start buying bonds once again, long-term government bonds over in the UK. So that caused a bit of a spike for some of the currencies back to the upside this morning. Also got a bit of a bump for the US dollar at one point this morning. We're talking Apple today because that is not helping sentiment right now. Apple came out and said they're going to slow iPhone 14 production going forward in response to slowing demand already. So Apple to the downside to kick things off so far this morning. That's a look at the overall market. Yesterday we closed right at the lows after breaching them, making a new 52-week low on the year. We'll get Apple chart here going. Looks very similar to the market itself, but holding a little bit higher, obviously, down this morning. More than the market itself on that note. Amazon, Google, Microsoft, meanwhile, also under pressure as yields continue to rise. We topped out at a fresh high 4% for the 10-year this morning. 4.01, in fact, was the high for the 10-year. We have pulled back in a little bit. The 2-year, 4.21% this morning. So big tech in general here, all of them back in negative territory, not helping things as far as the market is concerned. RIVN on watch. RBC with a downgrade today, price target cut, pointing to further production delays to come for RIVN. So some of the strength we've seen over the past couple of days here for some of the EV names, not the case so far this morning. Speaking of strength, Biogen's up huge, 47% in pre-market trading, along with Japanese partner, Eisai. Positive results coming out of an Alzheimer's trial. Unexpected at that for Biogen. So Longeveron here, also another one that's Alzheimer's related, trading higher in early trading. LYFT down. They're going to freeze hiring as of this morning in the U.S. going throughout the remainder of the year. And we'll talk about Rumble. A couple of headlines for Rumble. Elon talking to Rumble on Twitter. We'll tell you about that coming up this morning. Russell Brand also moving his podcast, it looks like, officially over to Rumble's platform. Grab the watch list, guys. That's the QR code on screen right now. We'll catch you shortly on TraderTV.Live.